In life, susubukin ka talaga. Kasi yung akala mong yun na, hindi pa pala. And the moment sinusubo ka ng panahon, always remember not to give up. Just try another thing. Because if in that path, alam mo na dyan, pwedeng matulungan yung pagpabago ng buhay mo, never give up. Okay? Because yung knowledge mo, yung skills mo, sayang, no? Sayang pag nag-give up ka. So, find another track, no? And keep on going. Because time will come, pag nasa tama ka na, nasa tamang panahon ka na, sabi nga, if time mo na talaga, no one can stop you and nothing can stop you. So that's why, subok lang ng subok. If there's an opportunity, okay, grab it. And subukan mo. And then work for it, no? Pagpaguran mo, sipagan mo ulit. All in, no? And yun, never give up. Huwag ka magpadala. Because sabi nga in life, there's full of challenges na kailangan mong i-execute. And just believe in yourself na kaya mo. Because one day, pag naging successful ka na, babalikan mo tong video na to. At masasabi mo sa sarili mo, na buti na lang. Despite sa challenges na pinagdaanan ko, kahit gaano kahirap, pinagpatuloy ko. And then you will be thankful yourself na kinaya mo.
Ikaw pa.